Those are my uniforms. We go to class at around 8. Then from 8 to 10, those are the lessons, the lectures. Then from 10 to 10:30, that's our break time. Then we go back to class. After going back to class, we come out for lunch at 12:30. We have lunch for 1.5 hours. After lunch, we go back to class from 2 to 6. And from 6 up to morning time again at 8. That's our personal time. That's your personal time to enjoy yourself, to do whatever you want. So this is my room. I'm with 4 roommates with double deckers. So 2 are sleeping this side, and then the other 2 we are sleeping this side. Sorry, my bed is somehow disorganized. My blanket right over here. This is my pillow. Those are the wardrobes for these guys. Then these are our wardrobes. Alright, then that is the main door. Then the sockets are not working properly. That one over here, it's not working properly, but we basically have charging boxes. We have charging boxes where we go and charge our gadgets, our phones, our computers, whatsoever. It's a nice experience overall. Yeah, then we have these room keys for the door. This over here, this is the small key for the charging box. Alright, yeah, basically I was sharing my everyday routine as a student. Yeah, please comment down, subscribe, like, follow. Peace out. Bye bye.